Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a fundamental concept in Python that allows you to structure your code using classes and objects. A class is a blueprint for creating objects, and an object is an instance of a class. Classes encapsulate data and behavior, defined using attributes and methods. The _init_ method initializes new objects, while self refers to the instance. Python supports inheritance, where a class can inherit properties and methods from a parent class. This allows code reuse and logical hierarchy. You can override methods in child classes for customization. Python also supports multiple inheritance, letting a class inherit from more than one parent. Mixins are a way to add reusable pieces of functionality to classes without using complex hierarchies. A mixin class is not meant to stand on its own but to be combined with other classes. Magic methods, also known as dunder methods, start and end with double underscores. _str_ defines how the object is printed. _repr_ provides an unambiguous representation. _len_ lets you define behavior for the len function. _getItem_ and _setItem_ allow indexing like lists or dictionaries. _call_ makes an object callable like a function. _eq_ _lt_ and others customize comparison. _add_ _mul_ and similar methods define behavior for arithmetic operators. Encapsulation keeps internal object state private by prefixing attributes with an underscore. Properties using @property and setters with @namesetter allow controlled access to private variables. Polymorphism lets different classes implement the same method name with different behavior. This is useful for interchangeable objects. Python also supports abstract base classes using the ABC module, which can enforce method implementation in subclasses. Composition is an alternative to inheritance, where objects are composed of other objects, enhancing modularity. With OOP in Python, code becomes more organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. Python fully supports both mixins and multiple inheritance, and they are closely related. Inheritance in Python allows one class, called a child or subclass, to inherit attributes and methods from another class, known as the parent or base class. This supports code reuse and promotes a clear hierarchy. The child class can override or extend the behavior of the parent. You use parentheses in the class definition to indicate inheritance, such as class dogAnimal. Python supports multiple inheritance, where a class can inherit from more than one parent. For example, class flying fish bird inherits behavior from both fish and bird. The method resolution order, or MRO, determines which parent class's method is used when there's a conflict. Python uses the C3 linearization algorithm to resolve this. Mixins are a design pattern made possible by multiple inheritance. A mixin is a small, reusable class that provides specific behavior to other classes through inheritance, but is not meant to stand alone. For example, a serializable mixin might add to _JSON and from _JSON methods, and can be mixed into multiple unrelated classes to give them JSON support. Mixins keep functionality modular and reduce code duplication. In summary, Python allows single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and mixins, giving you flexibility in how you structure and compose behavior across your object-oriented codebase.